Second question from practice set 12 is find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. Okay, so the division is 275 upon 525. So like I said, the first step that we have to do is see from both the numbers which is the smallest number. So the smallest number is 275. So we have to take it as a divisor, and the greater number which is there, that should be dividend. So I'll write down the division like this. Here I will write down 275 and here I'll write down 525. Okay, now I'll make the rough space to write down the tables, right? After doing that, you have to check in 275 table whether 525 is there or no. So 275 2s will do directly. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry. 7 2s are 14, 15, again 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 5. So it's 550 which is greater than 525. So we have to take here 275 1s are 275 which is smaller number. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 7 we cannot do, so we'll carry. So cut 5, take here 4, cut 2 and take here 12. 12 minus 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So from 250 and 275, which is the smaller number? Definitely 250. So again make it as a divisor and 275 bring it over here. Okay. Now in 250's table, see whether 275 is there or no. So see 250 2s are. So 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 5. It is 500. Again we cannot take this. So it is 250, 1s are 250 that, which we have to take it. So 5 minus 0 is 5 again, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now again 25 you write it as divisor and 250 you bring it over here. Now in 25's table check whether 250 will be there or no. So 25 tens are 250, definitely it is going to be there. So 25 tens are 250. So like this we get answer as 0 and this becomes our answer, which is HCF. So here in this question it is given that find the HCF by division method. So first thing we have found out. So you write down HCF is equal to 25. Okay. Next thing in the question, see what is it said, and reduce to the simplest form. So we have to reduce this division into simplest form. Okay, so from this answer we know the trick that the HCF that we find out, that is this number is a number in which 275 is also present and 525 is also present. 525. Okay, so we have a table in which numerator as well as denominator is present. So but exactly what is the factor of it which when we multiply by 25 we get this number, that we have to find out. So first write down numerator, which is 275, and see whether in 25's table it is there or no. So first we cannot take 2, we have to take 27. 2 is very less number than 25, so we take 27. So 27 comes in does not come in 25's table. So 25 2s is 50. So 50 also we cannot take because it is very greater than 27. So we have to take 25 1s are 25. Okay, so from 27 if we take 25, 2 will be left, which is carried on to another number. So here we carry on 2 to another number. So again we get 25. So again 25 1s are 25. So we get 25 into 11 as 275. So numerator is already done. Now find out for denominator, which is 525. 525. Again we have to find out in 25's table whether 525 is there or no. So first check for 52. Now 25 2s are 50, that we know. So we can take 50 as the answer because it is lesser than 52. So we'll take 25 2s are 50. And 2 will carry on. Out of 52, if we take out 50, 2 will be left and 2 will be carried on to this number. So again we'll get 25. 25 is left. So 25 comes in 25's table. So 25 1s are 25. So we get 25 into 21. Both these things we have to write down over here. In place of 275, we have to write down 25 into 11. And in place of 525, write down 25 into 21. Now both same number we can cancel and we get the simplest form, which is 11 into 21. And second part of the question is also solved to reduce the given division into simplest form. So both the things when you solve, you are going to get full marks. Similar manner, this was the first question. I'll solve second question also, which is there in the practice set. And the second question is, the division is 76 upon 133. Again, we have to choose which is the smaller number, which is 76. So I'll write down 76 over here and 133 over here. I'll quickly make the rough space also to do the rough work. Alright. Now in 76 table, we have to find out whether 133 is there or no. So 76 2s are first you do, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14, 15. Now 152 is greater than 133. Again we have to take 76 ones are. So 76 ones are 76. Do the subtraction. Now 3 minus 6 we cannot do because 3 is smaller number. So then one thing we can do is borrow. So cut 3 over here and write down 2 and cut 3, this 3 and write down 13. So 13 minus 6 is 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7. And your 2 minus 7 again we cannot do, so borrow from this last number. So 1, cut 1, write down 0, cut 2 here and write down 12. So 12 minus 7 is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 5. And here anyhow we have got 0, so 0 will come down. Now among 57 and 76, 57 is the smaller number. So I'll write it as a divisor and 76 I'll bring it over here. Now in 57's table, check whether 76 is there or no. So 57 2s are 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11. 114 is again very greater than 76. So we'll take 57 ones are 57. Now from 6 minus 7 we cannot do, so we'll cut here. In place of 7 we'll write down 6. In place of 6 we'll write down 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, we get 19 as the answer. Now again write down 19 over here and take 57 over here. Now 57 comes in 19's table. It is 19 3s are 57. If you know the tables properly. 9 3s are 27, 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 and plus 2 is 5. So 19 3s are 57. So we get finally answer is 0. So 19 becomes the HCF. So HCF is equal to 19. Now this is not it. There is a further part of the question also. We have to reduce this division into simplest form. But we have got this hint that both the numbers, numerator as well as denominator, is present in 19's table, which is 76 upon 133. We have to just find out the factor. So first take numerator and find out in 19's table whether 76 is there or no. So 19 3s are 57 we already know. We'll find out 19 4s are. 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 76. So 19 4s are, we get it as 76. Okay, so first answer we have already got. Now check for 133. Where exactly it is present in 19's table. Okay, so 19 4s we already know. 19 5s will not get 133 because always any number into 5, last digit either you will get 0 or 5. So this will not be 19 5s. So we'll check for 19 6s. 9 6s 50, 9 6s 54. 5 carry, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which is 114, which is not 133. So check for 19 7s. 9 7s are 63. 6 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 6 is 13. So we get finally 133, which is 19 7s are 133. So both the answers we have. In place of 76, I'll write down 19 into 4. And in place of 133, I'll write down 19 into 7. Now 19 I'll cancel and I'll get the smallest or simplest form as 4 upon 7. both the things we have found out now. Okay, so this is the answer. Now I'll solve third sum also from the question number 2 of practice set 12. And the third sum is, the division is given as 161 upon 69. So from 161 and 69, 69 is the smaller number. So I'll write over here and 161 I'll take over here. Now I'll make a rough space. Yeah, after doing that, you have to check in 69's table whether 161 is there or no. So 69 2s are, you do and see. 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13. Now 138, if you see, it is still smaller than 161. So we can further go. 69 3s are, we can do it. Okay, so I'll do it over here. 69 into 3. 9 3s are 27, sorry. 2 carry. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. I get 207. Now 207, if you see, it is greater than 161. So we cannot take 69 3s are. We have to take 69 2s are, which is smaller number than 161. So 69 2s are, write down 138. Now 1 minus 8 we cannot do, so we have to borrow from here. Cut 6 and write down 5. Cut 1 and write down 11. 11 minus 8 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 3. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now write down 23 over here and take 69 over here. Now check in 23's table whether you get 69 or no. So 23 2s are, first I'll check. 6 2s are, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. It is 46. Still we have not reached 69. Still 46 is less than 69. So we'll do 23 3s are. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So we get 69 in 23's table. So write down 23 3s are 69. And finally we get answer 0, which is very quick. So this division is very small. So we get HCF or GCD also we can call very quickly. So write down HCF equal to 23. Now first answer we have got. Second answer, what we have to do? We have to reduce this division into simplest form. But we know this trick that 161 as well as 69 is present definitely in 23's table. Okay, so first we'll check for numerator, which is 161. Where exactly it is present in 23's table. Okay, so 23 3s are 69. Let us check for 23 4s are. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8, 9. 92 is still smaller than 161. So write down 23 5s are, it will not be there because your last number is not 0 or it is not 5 also. So for 23 5s will not get 161. So directly check for 23 6s are. 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12, 13. 138 is still smaller than 161. Okay, so do 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. And we get 161 finally. So 23 7s are. So 23 7s are 161. Now 69 we already know. 23 3s are, here we have already solved. So 69 we can write down 23 3s are 69. Okay, so in place of 161 I'll write down 23 into 7. And in place of 69 I'll write down 23 into 3. 23 will get cancelled and the remaining answer will be 7 upon 3, which is the simplest form. So this way you have to solve the division sum and find out the HCF. And if they have mentioned that you have to find out the reduced or simplest form also, then only you have to solve this. Otherwise, if they have only asked for HCF, then stop over here. You don't have to do all this thing. Okay, if only HCF is asked. And this sums, if you practice, it is very, very easy. So practice this sum at home. Thank you.